In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide photos on Google Photos. If you want certain pictures or videos out of sight and out of mind, Google Photos has a built-in feature called Locked Folder. It's designed to keep selected items out of your main photo library, search results, albums, memories, and even out of other apps that normally have access to your photos. Think of it as a private space that's protected by your device's lock screen. Here's how to use it. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your phone. From the bottom menu, head to the section labeled Collections, or on some versions, Library. In there, look for Locked Folder and open it. If this is your first time, tap Set up Locked Folder. You'll be asked to unlock with your phone's existing security, such as your PIN, password, fingerprint, or Face ID. This is the same lock you use to get into your device, and it's what protects everything you put in this folder. Once the folder is ready, choose the photos or videos you want to hide. After selecting them, tap the three dots menu in the corner and choose Move to Locked Folder. You'll be prompted to confirm the move. When you accept, Google Photos removes those items from your visible library and places them behind your device's lock. If you only need to hide a single item quickly, open that photo or video in Google Photos, tap the three dots menu, select Move to Locked Folder, and confirm. It's the same protection, just a faster way to handle one item at a time. After you move something into Locked Folder, it won't appear in your main Photos grid. It won't come up in search, won't show in albums or memories, and it won't be visible to other apps that normally scan your gallery. Access is controlled entirely by your device's lock screen security, so only someone who can unlock your phone can see what's inside. A quick but important warning. Items in Locked Folder are often stored locally on the device. That means they typically aren't backed up, and if you factory reset, replace, or lose your phone, those photos may be gone. Many users have reported losing Locked Folder content after device changes or resets. If the images are important, be mindful of this limitation before you switch devices or perform a reset. That's all you need to safely tuck away sensitive photos in Google Photos using Locked Folder. Take your time, double check what you're moving, and remember how your device lock protects this private space.